Hey there, fellow programmers. Welcome back to another quick tip video on our channel. Today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of Laravel and exploring a powerful method that you might not be using to its full potential yet. That's right, we're talking about the setRelation method. I'm here to show you how, why, and when you should be using this function to enhance your Laravel projects. So, let's jump right in. Okay, so let's start by taking a look at the syntax of the setRelation method. It's a method available in Eloquent, and it allows you to manually set the relation of a model. Here's how it looks. Now, let's break down what's happening here. The $parent model is the instance of the model you're working with. And relation name is the name of the relationship you want to set. Finally, $related model is the instance of the related model that you want to associate with the parent model. But why should you use setRelation when Laravel's Eloquent already handles relationships automatically? Great question. There are a couple of scenarios where this method shines. Performance optimization. Let's say you have a situation where you need to retrieve a parent model along with its related models, but you only want to load a specific subset of related models. By using setRelation, you can manually load the exact related models you need, saving unnecessary database queries and boosting performance. Data transformation. Another use case is when you're working with APIs or need to transform data before sending it to the front end. With setRelation, you have more control over the data you're presenting, allowing you to manipulate relationships easily before serializing the model. Alright. Let's see this in action. In our example, we have a user model and a post model with a one-to-many relationship. We want to retrieve a user along with only their most recent post. Here's how we can use setRelation to achieve this. Now, you might be wondering when to use setRelation. Well, consider using it when you have specific data retrieval or transformation requirements. If you find yourself needing to fine-tune relationships for performance gains or data presentation, this method can be a real game changer. And there you have it, folks. The setRelation method in Laravel's Eloquent gives you the flexibility to manually set relationships for improved performance and data transformation. Remember, it's all about optimizing your code and making it work smarter, not harder. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more bite-sized programming tricks. Until next time, happy coding!